Now guys, something about settings of Visual Studio Code. The first thing is that you can see that I have a dark mode here. So if you want, you have this icon here. You can go here, themes, and here is color theme. If you will click on it, here some basic color themes. For example, if I will choose light, it will looks like this. Okay, but I like a dark theme, so I will use color theme, and here dark Visual Studio Code. Okay, something like this. So you can choose whatever you want. Okay, it's completely up to you. So it's a color theme. After that, we will create first files here. Every file has an icon. So I would like to use extension which create better icons. So it means that there are more colors, they are slightly bigger maybe, but they are more useful and more recognizable. Okay, so if you want to put some extensions here, so it means you have some functions here, but if you want to more functions, you have this icon. Okay, it's called extensions. If you click on it, here are lots of extensions, and one of them, if you start to search, it's called material icon theme. Okay, it's goes like this: material icon theme. Click on it, and here you only choose install. You can check how many downloads it has, because sometimes there are extensions with similar names, but here is material icon theme, this icon, and here will be install. After that, the install will be finished. Here you will see some lines go from one side to another. It means that it is in the process of installation, but after that you can just close it. Okay, and now we will click here, Explorer, like this. Perfect. So it's a material icon, so the icons of files will be more recognizable, more colorful, and so on. Okay. Another thing which we need, it's autosave. So if you go here, File, here you can check autosave. If there is a tick next to autosave, it's perfect. If there is not, you just click on it, and the tick, if you check it again, the tick will be here. Okay, autosave means that you don't have to click Ctrl+S, so you don't have to save anything, because it will be saved and anytime you stop writing. Okay, so it's a waste of time to write something, click Ctrl+S, write something, Ctrl+S, and so on. You don't have to, because you have autosave. Okay, another thing which we need, it's another extension. So we will go here again, and it's called live server. So if you click here, the process is the same. You just click install. Okay, the live server is very important, because you can see the live demo of your website. It means you can see live demo in your browser. Okay, so it's very important, because you don't want to see only the code. Okay, you will see the code here in Visual Studio Code, but in the browser you want to see how does it look like, correct? So that's why we need a live server. Okay, so just click on it, install, wait for a while, and you can close it. Okay, perfect. After that, the last settings which I would like to show you, it's a word wrapping. So what does it mean? If you write a very long text, and it will be longer than your screen, so it means that you need to go from left to right to see all letters. Okay, but if you turn on a word wrapping, so it means if the screen will be like this, so it will be a long text, it will not continue to the right, but there will be a wrap. So it means something like enter. Okay, it means new line. So you will see the whole text in the lines. It's called word wrapping. So if you go here and settings, just write word wrap, and here will be editor word wrap. So be careful here, you need to have on. Okay, so choose on and it will be on. Okay, and that's it. So be careful, it isn't editor word wrap column or something like this, editor word wrap. Okay, on. Perfect. And again, you don't have to save it anywhere, just click on the cross and you can close it. Perfect. So now we are ready. We set everything what we needed, and I will show you what does it mean, these extensions and these settings in a real life scenario in the next videos. Okay, but I need to know that everything is okay, everything is set, and we can continue in the next video, guys.